Twin Rivers Paper Company was having considerable hazing problems and buildup on their number 3 paper machine's hot calendar roll. As a result, they were routinely spending more than 6 hours per month cleaning the roll before changing paper grades. The company needed to find an efficient way to overcome this challenge, so they turned to precision roll grinders. PRG's tightest industry tolerances and roll armor coating solved their problem and increased overall productivity.
We're developing a grade for a customer using our hot soft nib. As we were developing this grade and as it's been growing on the machine, we were finding that after running a period of time with the soft nib, going to our other grades, we were finding we were hazing up on our soft nib. We make a variety of coatings across the machine and a variety of finishes. And we were going from one of our lower finishes to one of our higher finishes. And the hazing was preventing us from getting to that quality level that we were looking for. So basically what we had to do was, after running this grade, we had to take the calendar down, cool it down, and actually roll grinder had to go in by hand and buff the surface to get the haze out, to get the finish back, to be able to make our next grade.
Mark, when you first inspected the face of the roll while it was still in the machine, what did you find?
I found considerable hazing. RA levels across the roll face was varied, as much as 200 to 300% above spec. The coating thickness had variation across the roll face and also in 3 different planes.
Mark, when this roll was sent to Allentown, what did that inspection reveal?
That inspection revealed that the profile was out 1.7 thousandths front to back. The TIR was out 3 thousandths on one end, 4 thousandths on the other.
We did have a coating previously that was fine for the grades as we were making them, but as we were developing into other grades, we wanted this, as I mentioned, a coating that was more versatile, to be able to go from one grade to another without having to go through all the hassle of this manual polishing. So you guys had recommended the coating. We felt it was, everything made sense. We sent the roll down to you guys, you turned it around, you brought it back, we installed it. It's been in for about a year now. We've had at least 15 or 20 grade runs where we've had this issue before, and not one time have we had to spend any time shutting the calendar down and buffing the roll. Basically, we've been able to go from grade to grade, and so we've reduced that 3-hour grade change down to a half-hour grade change.
After the roll was coated and was returned to the mill, what did you find for the specifications?
Specifications on all aspects, both RA, roundness, and TIR was right within spec, and TIR was 80 millionths of an inch.
Being in northern Maine on the Canadian border, it's a long way for anybody to come up and spend a lot of time in our mill. And I mean, once I was introduced to you guys and the process got started, I was surprised at how much time and commitment you guys have been able to put here at Twin Rivers, specifically on my machine, and I know that you've done the work across the entire mill itself. I guess that was probably my biggest surprise, is how much time you guys were able to devote to our mill.
Mark, this roll's been in the machine for about 11 months now. What did your last inspection reveal?
That inspection revealed that this roll is performing very well for this mill. No hazing was evident. RA well within spec versus the 200 to 300% that they were dealing with in the past. Coating thickness very uniform throughout. Under magnification, no porosity shown whatsoever. With all that being said, this roll is performing remarkably well for this mill.
Learn more about how precision roll grinders can keep your business efficient by calling 610-395-6966 or visit precisionrollgrinders.com.